And welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working with the Embossing Editions Toolkit because it has a surprise in there that I wasn't aware of. So if you like to heat emboss, which I love, there is an accessory kit to help you with that. And it comes with a little tray to collect all your powder to make it easy to pour it back into the jar. You can pour it back in using this handy dandy little spot, or you can use the edges. I'm lazy and I just use the edges to dump it in and pour it in the jar. It has your buddy. So this is it either has like cornstarch or it has baby powder or something in here, which cuts that static when you're stamping on paper because that powder for the heat embossing just loves to stick to staticky stuff. And then you end up with powder in places you didn't wish it for. And then it comes with a brush. And I love having a brush because then it allows you to take all your powder and scoop it into the corners. It also helps you if if you forgot to do your buddy, it allows you to carefully flick away any of that extra powder on your project. That's super handy. But I did not realize that there was a pair of backward tweezers in this set. And I love backward tweezers. Backward tweezers help you put on tiny embellishments, and they're a major help when you're heat embossing and burning your fingers because your paper is very small. So this has a little metal base and then a little plastic piece, which is nice because the metal sometimes hurts my project, but this plastic, I bet, won't hurt my project near as much. And I love backwards tweezers because you squeeze them to grab whatever you want to grab, but then you can let go and it stays holding that item until you're ready to use it without you having to squeeze the entire time. And while that doesn't sound like a big thing, it is. So I highly recommend this kit if you don't already have one, because it has all the essentials for a proper heat embossing experience. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.